Greetings. So as you should already know, yeah. Why, if you already know, why am I saying you should already
Why am I arguing, sir?
that me one more? Start it like. Anyways, sorry about that. Yes, as you should already know, Jamaican reggae star Coffee just dropped her new single entitled West Indies. Now, this West Indies song is supposed to appear on her debut studio album, which is due in 2022. The track is produced by Ayatosh, and it's a joyful ode to Coffee's West Indian heritage and the region she calls home. It captures Jamaican visuals, stunning natural landscapes, and we see Coffee and her friends go from a feast with a full spread of cultural cuisine to a fire-fueled outdoor bashment. And guess what? Guess who is in the midst of all of this bashment? Yeah, man, your boy Surplus was there, and this video is, I try to capture some moments, some, highlights. Well, we were not supposed to really be capturing images, so that's why I didn't release it until now. But anyways, here are some behind the scenes footage of Coffee's West Indies. This time I made sure to get a picture with Coffee because in the last Coffee video that I was in, I didn't get to take a picture with her. Oh wait, what? You never know that I was in the last Coffee video too? Yeah, man, I was in W. Yeah, man, you never. Let me show you.
Shameless plug.
So before we can do the behind the scenes, we have to start from the beginning. We did have to reach. Yeah, so I'm not from well, I guess you didn't know where. So it was shot in St. Anne, and I had to drive to get to Ochi. And yeah, so this is the driving part.
Yes, me. Yeah. Well. Everybody good. I have to learn to talk. Show it. I have to learn to talk and show your teeth, Yeah.
Well, old time people say chicken very hot than here. And what that basically means that when you're having fun, just around the corner, it's not gonna be so fun. And just like that, the rain started. We thought that, it's just gonna be a little rain. Yeah. But yeah, 2 hours later, still raining. Yeah, so this makes you should appreciate this music video even more, because at one point, man, I wasn't even sure if this music video, if it was going to be completed because of all this rain. But yeah, people them work their magic, Big up to the directors. Big up to the camera people. Big up to the Rasta drummers. And them chant and chant and chant away the rain. Yeah, man. See the rain ease up now. Big up to the Rasta man then.
Go down there, okay, with the rain done?
I guess so.
Yeah, the king of vibration, man. I listen to us, I man calling us the
Where's it? Where's Harwing? Where's Harwing you are? You sure yourself, I don't really know a job, no. I lie on my application.
Yeah, jerky side and jerky.
Where is it? That I go to? Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on.
What no? Now I know some of you probably saying, yo Surplus, what kind of whip up boring shots them here now? You want some exciting thing? Well, to tell the truth, you know we were not supposed to be there shooting videos and stuff, so I have to hide and do these things, kind of.
There is.
So we weren't supposed to be taking a lot of footage, so I have to just shoot when I could. So bear with me, but of course me have too much. See?
Three, 2, 1.
Yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know, so we. Yeah,
2, 1.
yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know, so we giving them the West Indies.
Yeah, bro, keep up the energy. Keep up the energy.
Everybody on speed. And music.
Yeah,
3, 2, 1.
yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know, so we giving them the West Indies.
Great, this one mind that man run the video over here. Maybe some more people who watch my YouTube channel now, I see me have artists, One Nation boss, not troublemaker, everybody there. Youngster, of course. Blessings, Run Costa G, yeah. Blessings, Sorry if I run in for but sorry if I run in for but I try to get people to watch my YouTube videos. So I just go behind the scene. I mean, I find out some of I change my language from what they do. You see? Cool, man. Yeah. No, I take it to behind the scenes video from YouTube, So I have to wait. Yeah.
YouTube.
That's cool, man.
Back on your button.
That's cool, man. That's rich, it is right. Why is she hiding? Yeah. See, she make it possible, people. She make it possible. Some of the
Oh.
like that.
Hey, it's Coffee. You can listen to my new song West Indies out now on Spotify.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.